Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix black screen on Mazda CX-5, updated. Start by performing a soft reboot using the power and volume buttons, then inspect the infotainment fuse and battery connections. I guide you through safe steps to isolate software from hardware problems, show how to check for loose cables behind the dash, and explain when to seek dealer diagnostics or a professional technician for deeper troubleshooting. Start by confirming the infotainment firmware is current and performing a controlled factory reset if needed. I walk you through backing up saved navigation and preferences so you do not lose important data, show how to clear paired devices, and explain when a software patch or reflash from the dealer might resolve persistent black screen issues. These steps help determine if the failure is software-related before replacing parts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical car fixes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while troubleshooting roadside issues, and it fits most cup holders for convenience during long drives. I mention it because keeping hydrated makes any repair session more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If resets and updates do not help, move on to hardware inspection with gloves and basic tools. I describe how to access the display area safely, check connectors for corrosion or looseness, and measure supply voltage to confirm the screen is receiving power. I also cover how to inspect grounding points and ribbon cables, and offer guidance on when a replacement display or professional repair is the appropriate next step to restore full function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.